Bad alternator. The alternator generates electrical power and recharges the battery while the engine is running. It also powers the electrical components of the vehicle. Signs of a bad alternator include: warning light. Most vehicles have a dashboard warning light, usually shaped like a battery, that illuminates when the alternator is not functioning properly. Dead battery. If the alternator fails to recharge the battery's power will gradually deplete, leading to a drained battery. Dimming lights. Similar to a bad battery, a failing alternator can cause the lights to dim or flicker, indicating insufficient power supply. Electrical failures. As the alternator powers the electrical components, a malfunctioning alternator can cause erratic behavior in various systems, such as the radio, power windows, or dashboard gauges.